Hello everyone. In today's video I'll be explaining how you can add notes, tasks, and files in your PO in PromoXCRM. Now first, if you want to find your PO, go to the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Dashboard and click on Satellite View. Once you're over here, on the top right corner, click on Lookup Projects. Please enter your PO number in the first box, and PromoXCRM will automatically pull out the PO itself. Now to add notes, click on Action button, and a window will pop up on right-hand side of your screen. Now once you're over here, just add the notes that you want. Now once you have written down a note, click on Add Note. This is how you add notes in PromoXCRM. Now to add task, click on Task. Now once the task has been typed, click on Assign Task to assign task to a particular person that you have selected. If you want to add any kind of files, click on Files, click on Upload, click to Browse, and you can choose the file that you want to add. Once the file is uploaded, click on Save, and your file will be added over here. This is how you add notes, tasks, and files in PromoXCRM. Thank you.